dinosaur. I was wondered why dinosaurs were extinct. There are so many factors for that. Comets from space and earthquakes due climate change and sea increase level, and most of them the volcano eruptions. So I was eager to read about volcanoes. How do I tell my friends about volcanoes? Yeah, so come on, let's learn about volcanoes. So most of the volcanoes are like mountains. But don't worry, the volcanoes are close to the Pacific Ocean shore. Close to the Pacific Ocean shore, there are some islands. Those islands are called Ring of Fire Zone. There are so many volcano eruptions. But how does a volcano erupt? Yeah, under the Earth's crust, there are gas and magma. So one day the gas and magma pressure so big, then one day it will blast off. So the lava moves. See? It blasts off gas, ash, rocks, comes out. Look, those clouds, ash and rocks and gas. That's how the volcano blasts off. So lava could move slowly or fast. So lava is very, very hot, and lava could move slowly so that people could escape. Or lava is very hot and could destroy anything that it is in its path. So better run. So now we have seen some facts about volcanoes. So come on, let's see a homemade volcano. Let me explain the homemade volcano. Just we need 3 ingredients: a half glass of vinegar, baking soda, and food coloring. First, let's put the vinegar. Then food coloring. Now the baking soda. Oopsie. Ta-da! So now I'll tell you the types of volcano. The first one is active volcano and the second one is the dormant volcano. Active volcanoes are very active. They could blast off anytime if they want. And dormant volcanoes are inactive. Volcanoes are very, very hot and they are very deadly. They could knock down trees and make trees fire. They cause very much fire and they could destroy anything that in its path. Buses, cars, trucks, buildings, houses, anything in its path. So now we have seen the facts about volcanoes. So at the end, watch happily. So it's me, Dheeraj, and watch me in the next video.